Hello and welcome to Victoriana. It's the second week of January, so we thought it was about time we took down the Christmas photograph on the front of the website. We've been back to work a couple of weeks now, and I'm not going to do a massive long clip because in honesty there's not an awful lot going on apart from here in the prop. Last week we sowed the onions, they're already up. We've also sown all our cold bits, so they're getting a couple of weeks of warmth and then they're going to go out into the cold. Hopefully we're going to get some frost and snow on them. At the end of last week we started on the chilli sowing, and today Serena and I are hitting into all the chilies that we'll be growing for our chili festival this year. So we've got about 200 and something varieties to sow today and tomorrow. So as I say, we're going to crack into that now, or carry on with it now, and we will catch up with you sometime in February, not quite sure when, we're getting pretty useless at this, but when we've got a little bit more to show you.